This is the one he came to India for pilgrimage in 1956. Second is in there.
Sakya 英美在行这个我们这些参谋从这个是历史手机。
To open this special day, it is my honor to call upon City President of Sakya, who will deliver the official welcome speech.
주교의 대신 산에 대대 초록 용라 정과 렉서의 참지 다시 될래 주교 다음 차체 남바서 충가를 토고 용배 민주 주교의
On the stage.
Good afternoon. How's today? First of all, let me just say it's always an honor to be in this building. It's always a privilege to be with this community. A couple of people asked me what I was doing on Saturday. They said, "Oh, you're going to spend time with the Tibetan community." I said, "No, I'm going to spend time with my friends in the Tibetan community." So thank you for being so welcoming. I want to say thank you for the invitation. This organization, Kempo Tunga Sheriff, President, I'm really very grateful for the opportunity to be here. We're here today to celebrate 80 years of wisdom, 80 years of kindness, 80 years of compassion, 80 years of teaching. His Holiness' reputation and his legacy, his continuing legacy, is something that all of us can draw on each and every day. I serve as a member of Parliament for Etobicoke Lakeshore. I serve the people of this community. I serve the people of Canada. I work in Ottawa. I draw on these teachings and these beliefs and these values literally every single day in every single thing I do. It's no secret we're living in troubled times. The world is experiencing some very dramatic shifts, some difficult challenges, and these teachings of compassion and kindness and concern and peace, as we heard, are more important now than ever. So I just want to say thank you to His Holiness, happy birthday to His Holiness, and express my gratitude not only on my own behalf, but on behalf of the Government of Canada for everything he has done and continues to do. So, Your Holiness, happy birthday. And if I can call on our President Bruce Kugasharp, I want to present you with just a small token of the occasion. I had the honor of meeting His Holiness 2 years ago, in 2023, when he was here in Toronto. I remember the occasion well. So this is to commemorate his 80th birthday in the Western calendar, which I also learned about today. So here you go, sir, please.
Thank you so much. It's my great honor to be here to participate in today's birthday celebration for His Holiness the Sakya Trichen Vajradhara. I wish His Holiness excellent health and a long life, and I offer my most sincere appreciation for his tireless work on behalf of the global Buddhist tradition. At the University of Toronto, we've been grateful to be able to host His Holiness as a visiting speaker in past years, welcoming his teachings as part of our programming in Tibetan studies. As some of you may know, the University of Toronto has the largest program of Tibetan studies in Canada. Our scholars teach and do research on politics, history, environment, arts, philosophy, medicine, linguistics, and religion of the region. Our library now has the largest collection of books and manuscripts in Tibetan language in Canada. His Holiness the Sakya Trichen Vajradhara's work on promoting Buddhist literacy and practice globally over his long life has been so important for all of us at the University, in Canada, and across the world. And the University's work in Tibetan studies could not have flourished to the extent that it has over the last 20 years without the contributions of the Tibetan community here. Many thanks to you all, and congratulations and best wishes for this auspicious occasion.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sakya Gongma Rinpoche. Happy birthday to you.
Rinpoche, kuja unhubatong chapsi, teri kyamguen Gongma Tichen doji changcho, Gonglo geju pepe, gyatun chungpar sungzinki, gyukepar chendila, nye Ontario Richikyun sobe gyunletu, mimang sabshude, samdi shubutong chachi. Tadu kyamguen Gongma Tichen doji changcho, kudze yurinye batang, 다자 조원남과 국제와 주를 모두 Sakya 추를 지차와 균 거진신앙과 시소의 연구수리 통치체
long jeju zing hala dene jikten ji kamdir ang Gongma Tichen doji changchenbo tsembe shebi nimo datirin zisung nang kamdila ngawan jumri lari kwenji dong jogyun kanse tekshen dong halam pende paldo babi chinajin sambe ongi jeba shabden sol jamgun Gongma Tichen doji changchenbo cho jinda dene tenbata semchen yongzo dene goyosu rangre lombang tam jegi ngayandang jabdang bunyan dambigin or kutse yu rindu den zebatine namki tadang nyambra chebi mandun kaji nime jene rangja tani lombang tam jegi shudan shushinbe kamdila tunjur jawa sadan jeba tam jegi jang dene nangdu soru sanita 시주에 당 만남 혼도 땅 전에
Tashidile, Your Holiness Sakya Gongma Trichen Rinpoche, it is my great honor and joy to wish you a very happy 80th birthday. On behalf of the people of Arunachal Pradesh, I join countless admirers across the globe in celebrating your tireless effort to preserve and promote the sacred Buddha Dharma throughout the world. You are one of the greatest voices of our Buddhist family. We deeply cherish your spirit of kindness, love, peace, and compassion. Through your profound teachings and blessings, may all sentient beings find benefit and may they be inspired to follow in your noble footsteps. Today, more than ever, the world needs your wisdom and guidance for the cause of peace. May His Holiness Rinpoche continues to be a source of light, compassion, and inspiration for generations to come. Thank you.
Most respected His Holiness Kyabgon Sakya Gongma Tichen Rinpoche, respected Rinpoches, venerable Sangha members and devotees across the world, Jule Tashidelek. On this most auspicious occasion of the 80th birthday celebration of His Holiness the 41st Sakya Gongma Tichen Rinpoche, I extend my warmest greetings, prayers and deepest reverence on behalf of the people of Ladakh and myself personally. May Your Holiness enjoy long life, perfect health, and May your profound activities continue to benefit all sentient beings across the world.
nga tari hege nambi dundu chagde tsubu choguli tsuzu kembu kunga shirab lani kabekta pel saja kuma chijin uji changsimbu choki chunga kesangi nimuta dun gombu choki samsungi zebada jeba mangzu jita lakbaran nangshoyon namba kongi kadin jejen shugobe junzin chi yin to deshin saja tenpa rinpoche chunjung dang tenda hegen nambi samsungi zeba namba jemdun la soke tone mojo chebe gyu tende gyaje mangzo me tenpa megu zang ma yinpara cho yo ne gyulun shiro tupjur migye yin miyu te shizu kyamgun choke samsung ki zebe pari temne nyelam juk Sri Lanka bayu Arunachal lada je la nisi da del tegu tende mangzo la choje nangwe chabar sudun shu wa kanachik tembe shu deshin drugi ngoza jabji dokta kenze rinpoche choda Arunachal nga degi lunjin pushab pema khando la cho lada chozo tumi suba pushab janan sirin jene chunga tsamdi yendung choti sikwe da nyam sanni ki shunjen khaa chi laya kyamgun ki kuze muju ngoje dang kong nambi gyune sanni ki shunjen nambi tenda nga jen nambi kuze muju shedo yonde gombocho ki samsung ki zenam nyingdu pyoyin nyingi to mangdo la jeju shugu lerim kuji shugu yi. One of the center's main objectives is to preserve and promote the Sakya culture, share the legacy of His Holinesses, and most importantly, encourage youth participation. In this spirit, today the three programs, the video message from the dignitary, the gallery exhibition, and the youth presentation of His Holiness biography in Tibetan and English have been organized.
Captain Gongma Rinpoche chokne, chitong gukya shi chushenga, dawa guwa tse dun, pe shingje lo, dawa gebe tse chiknin, tse tong potong tu, kutun, yin ter, di gyayi, omatang, guru sheltang, gulmi chungwa sok, ngo tsarwe, te chung.
Chikdong gukya ngapchunga sungki, gyute, kuntang, chur pirkap, ngotu tsewang tot martil. Chikdong gukya chuchu eptun lor, nechok wa nase lamje ki sungche tok mar nangwa nesu. Lamde tsoklop tsar nyerni dang, tuktak gyundu dang gyute gyundu doji tengwa, wangya norbu tengwa nel jorme, kati sok sakche samki mi gyapa, gyapa dang chigya yudu mangpoy tsanang zete.
Sakya Rinpoche seshe jawa nesu ngache sungche tuma sembada pyogi chugyu kaki tsokchen namsu tsokcha zepa pyogi shabyang onki ngotsab nangde Sakya Rinpoche la denshuk dekpru nangwa sok dona choki uwok pungteki sishu dang deshin gyawang kamaba kunden kong o dang gyabje chushi Rinpoche gaden tsira minchu sok lisu machipe tenda Lachin namda Tugna damsi gochu chikte sukurte Tende midin tu gyuwaze.
His Holiness Gyabgun Gongma Trichen Rinpoche, the 41st Sakya Trichen, was born on September 7, 1945, at the Sakya Palace in Zedong, Tibet.
Throughout his life, His Holiness received transmissions from more than 30 great leaders, including his father, Ngor Khangsar Genchen Dampa Dorjachang, Zongsar Jamyang Gensin Chogi Lodro, Choge Trichen Rinpoche, Dejung Rinpoche, and His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama.
Over the decades, His Holiness met with world leaders and dignitaries, such as King Pauden Dongduk of Sikkim, His Majesty King Jingme Kesa Namga Wangchuk, Queen Zetsu Bema of Bhutan, Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, and international actor Richard Gere, and many other renowned personalities.
inaya dinemanya kamishueti and Sakya Chogo Lingi Tadi Nebota Mombe Lejaset Chujini Tolia Kamishui did Chushini the descent of some descent she's the Koyu and the descent of what Dini Sakya Chogo Lingi Tadi Nebos Dini Tangoma Chida Nieto Nishu Zashi Lolia Matusaki Chogo Lingi Junior Sabolia Kosha Jumbare a cup to do some Tangan Junior Sabo Tamuton Soy Sama Mazakara Josana Gongma Trichen Toshashi Choge Nieto Nitsa Son Lolia Tang Monet Nechik Sanetilia Saki Chozo Gugutus.
Now, Canada Chozoki, Tommy Bishop James Maloney, Toronto, Tulak and Lobjingi, Giganchimo, Francis Garrett, Kanjon Chode, Nigitozo, Digishula, Zube, Sunny Suzo Kaki, Jezo Nambatan, Gendu Namba, Sunny Sobata Gedu Kaki, Jezo Nambatan, Tommy Namba, Shen and Dir, Nyamshu Nangi, Churo Yongla, Teri. Such a Tuesday, Kaja Tuesday, Tunga Langam Shoot, Kamil Nawar, and Sakya Chobolingi, Gule Yongi, Subshude, Tujiche Shuyu.